What are the best renovations that have the greatest payback on your home's value? As a homeowner, this is helpful to know because you want to make smart decisions that not only make your home more livable for you and your family, but also help boost the value of your house in the long run. The National Association of Realtors came out with a 2022 remodeling impact report, and realtors provided an estimate of the likely dollar value each project would add to the house at resale. And this is what they found. The best exterior remodeling project is adding a new roof and a new garage with an estimated cost recovery of 100%. This is followed closely by replacing sidings with a cost recovery of around 85% and replacing windows and doors with a cost recovery of roughly 60%. In terms of indoors, the most value-adding remodeling project is a hardwood flooring refinish with a cost recovery of 147%. Runners-up include new wood flooring at 118%, insulation upgrade at 100%, and basement conversion to a living area at 86%. The number one project realtors recommend for selling is painting the entire interior home, followed by a new roof and a kitchen upgrade. What do you think about these results? Did anything surprise you? Tell me in the comments.